What's the meaning of bubble? Bubble. Bubble.
Bubble. Bubble. Bubble can refer to a few different things. In finance, a bubble is when an asset's price becomes significantly inflated above its intrinsic value due to speculation and hype, only to eventually burst and crash. In general, bubble can also mean a spherical globule of air or gas trapped in a liquid, or a situation where someone is living in a self-contained environment that isolates them from reality. Regardless of the context, bubble usually carries connotations of fragility, instability, and a tendency to burst unexpectedly.